Hello everyone and welcome back to MSI Analytics. Running a hotel comes with countless moving parts: tracking revenue, monitoring guest behavior, reducing cancellations, and optimizing room performance. Without an easy way to analyze all this data, you are left guessing, and let's face it, guesswork costs money. This dashboard solves that by giving you a clear, interactive overview of your financial performance, guest metrics, and operational insights, all in one place. So now, let's dive into the dashboard. At the top, we have our key metrics, which provides us a clear snapshot of your business health. Net revenue, total guest, revenue per guest, it's all here. This helps you quickly see how well your hotel is performing and identify any red flag, like declining reservations or rising cancellation rates. After that, we have our visual, which is reservations by status. This is a bar chart. This shows how many guests have actually arrived, cancelled, or didn't show up each month. This is important to visualize because understanding these trends helps you address issues like overbooking or improving customer follow-ups to reduce cancellation. Moving forward, we have our another visual, which is revenue trend over time. This is a line chart. This visual is essential for spotting seasonal patterns or unexpected dips in revenue. For instance, if you see a consistent drop in November, you can launch marketing campaign to fill those gaps. Moving forward, we have booking sources breakdown. This bar chart highlights where your reservations are coming from, be it your website, phone, or social media. As a business owner, this helps you allocate your marketing budget effectively by investing in the channels that bring in the most bookings. Moving forward, we have net revenue by room. This bar chart breaks down revenue contributions by room categories, from king room to single rooms. If you notice a low performing room type, you can tweak pricing strategies or promotions to boost its occupancy. And then moving forward to our last visual of the dashboard, which is reservation by guest type. This is a tree map which provides a detailed look at your customer segment, couples, VIPs, walk-ins, and more. Knowing your audience is key to creating tailored experiences that drive guest satisfaction and loyalty. This dashboard empowers you to track your financial performance at a glance, identify and solve problems before they affect your bottom line, allocate resources effectively from marketing to staffing, optimize your guest experience, turning first-timers into repeated customers. In short, this dashboard isn't just data, it's about making your hotel business smarter, more efficient, and more profitable. So if you're ready to take control of your hotel's financial performance, this dashboard can be your game changer. So this was it for today's video. Give us your feedback below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.